Today I'm here to offer our viewers a 30-day trial of the Ab Circle Pro. It's the easiest and most fun way I know to blast that fat off. Traditional exercises go forward and backwards, but what about your obliques? And some exercises go side to side, but what about your upper and lower abs? Now there's the Ab Circle Pro, which is so advanced it targets your entire core. Upper, middle and lower abs and even your obliques in one circular motion. It blasts fat in just a day. In fact, we guarantee with the Ab Circle Pro, you'll lose 5 kilos in just the first 2 weeks or your money back. The secret to the Ab Circle Pro is it combines cardio and abs to blast the fat, while its unique friction-free track uses the momentum of gravity to target your entire midsection, firing up your core. And our express 3-minute workout will help get your abs in amazing shape fast. Call us now to take advantage of this special offer for our viewers on 1300 89 89 30. That's 1300 89 89 30. Back to you. My name is Ben Hardy. I'm a presenter, entertainer, and sometimes larger than life. Hold on tight and come with me.